are you cutting that in the pan?
Because
You're making it harder for yourself.
I am.
Cut it on a board.
Gary's dish is really packed full of big, strong, salty flavours. If he gets this right and the balance right, fantastic.
Hello, and a very warm welcome to the MasterChef kitchen. We want you to relax and do what you love to do, right, which is cooking.
This, your first test on MasterChef, we call the signature dish round. Each of you have brought in your own ingredients, and what we want from you is one extraordinary plate of food which shows Greg and I something about you as a cook. We will choose our two favourite dishes, and the contestants who have cooked those dishes will get themselves a MasterChef apron. The remaining three will have to stay and cook off against each other for the other two aprons. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Let's cook.
Portsmouth-based construction manager Gary discovered a newfound passion for cooking after breaking his leg in 2013.
I think there are a lot of parallels between building and cooking, just different ingredients. Bricks, blocks, timber, flour, eggs and milk. So it's just putting them all together, making them look good, and making sure everybody enjoys what they're having at the end.
Gary, do you have a cookery dream?
I do. I'd like to start a travelling cookery school for kids and families. But I'm a builder, so essentially I'd like to build a kitchen in a container.
And you'd be in there?
Yes.
Giving cookery lessons?
Try to.
Why not, indeed? What is your dish, please?
Haunch steak of venison with crispy cavallero, a fondant potato, some broccoli and Stilton puree, and a red wine jus.
How long does a fondant take to cook?
About 20, 30, 40 minutes.
20, 30, 40?
20, 30, 40, yeah.
Of all the dishes in the world, Gary, what does it say about you?
I'm a West Country boy, born and bred, so it's very much quite an earthy, wholesome, foresty-based deer and mushrooms and greenage.
Gary, best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Gary's dish is really packed full of big, strong, salty flavours. On the outside of Gary's steak, he has got mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and yeast extract. With that, we've got a red wine and port sauce, which includes balsamic vinegar. Alongside all that, we have a broccoli and Stilton puree. If he gets this right and the balance right, fantastic.
Just 5 minutes. Guys, get it on plates. Why are you cutting that in the pan?
Because
You're making it harder for yourself.
I am.
Cut it on a board.
Up against it. Might not get the beans on there.
Final touches. You've got 30 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. OK, stop. Time's up, stop.
Construction manager Gary has cooked a haunch of venison with a Worcestershire sauce, mustard and yeast extract glaze, served with fondant potato, broccoli and Stilton puree, fried mushrooms, crispy cavallero, and a red wine and balsamic vinegar jus.
On the outside of that venison, you have a great mixture, and that is very, very powerful but delicious. The actual meat itself, it's been cooked nicely, and it's still pink. Your fondant is seasoned really well. Your sauce is great. It's got a lovely shine to it. It's got a real depth of flavour. It's slightly fruity.
The revelation for me is the broccoli and Stilton. That creamy blue cheese saltiness is great. And really nice crunch of well-seasoned, well-cooked, dried, fried cabbage. I think it tastes really good. I mean, really good indeed, Gary.
Oh. It's an amazing feeling to get that pat on the back. To know that you are as good as you possibly can be. I'm looking forward to the next one now. Bring it on.